So I'm in, what's the name of this ruin?
We're in Acrocorinth.
Acrocorinth, which is above the town of Corinth. And I'm interviewing an architect, engineer, and your name is?
Simu.
Simu. And she has in her hand here a total station for surveying. And how do you exactly use this for your work here?
Well, to make it clear,
This
is the job of a surveyor, a topographer.
Yeah.
But as an architect, I use this in order to take the geolocation, the points of the walls. We're surveying the walls of the castle. And I make the hand drawings, and then I put the points, I locate the points using the total station, and then I combine this with survey using photogrammetry. So I make orthophotos, and then we make the complete drawings, and we combine every kind of method, digital and hand survey.
So it's an accurate digital representation of this physical, topographical building and landscape.
Yes.
And I guess architects call that building information modeling.
Yeah.
But you're saying it's like 3D photogrammetry surveying using this digital total station. Yes. Do you use drones? We
use drones too.
And do you use...
We make the model, and then we take rectified images.
Yes.
And then we adjust and correct the images based on the digital survey we have from the total station.
Yeah,
sorry for my English.
No, this is very good. This is very good. And then if a young person in Greece wanted to follow in your footsteps, what courses would they learn to become a surveyor?
Okay, surveyor is a different
I know.
specialty. Yeah. There is a different faculty.
Yeah.
Normally I should have a surveyor with me to do this.
Yeah.
But we architects have some lessons, some courses in the basic diploma of engineering.
Mm-hmm.
To learn about photogrammetry and
geomatics.
But then you have a Master of Science to be a specialist in conservation and survey.
Okay, good. Yeah. No, excellent. Thank you very much. And this is an amazing... How long is this project going to last?
This is a huge project that will last for decades, I think.
Decades?
Yes.
That's cool. Well, thank you very much, and all the best in your work here over the next few decades.